Tama na tayo kay Idol Lawrence. Ano ito? Mobile ECG machine. May jaya kadagiti pasyente iti private duty nurse rescue ninja team.
Kal.
Idol Dance, come in!
Saan yung nadawan ti ragsak ti pamilya Ligot, iti syudad iti Lawag, akang pasan iti panakirwar iti damag, nga ni Reverend Father Andy Ligot, ket na elektaran nung napuntaran kasra obispo iti San Jose, Ijaya, California. Ni Ma'am Bernadette Sofia Ligot, iti may iti nakalos iti ragsak na nagapupada iti ng bagadamag iti pamilyada nga ni Father Andy Ligot nga ni Buday sa Lawag ket napintaran sa obispo ijay San Jose, California kung nga padi nga Pilipino di napintaran ni Pope Leo XIV. Inbaga ni Ma'am Bernadette ni Father Andy ket imala iti angkel na nga masamad ng obispo iti San Sandro La Union iti nasa itagdamag iti Dolcoloy dito bloodline iti pamiligot akasa maysa nga padi. Kasuman tinanay nga pakisturyan iti kabidag ni Father Andy Ligot babenti naman tayo kaya ni Ma'am Bernadette Ligot ti manang ni Father Andy Ligot.
Well, at first we were not aware that he had been appointed as an auxiliary bishop of the Diocese of San Jose, California. So, as the eldest sister of Father Andy, soon to be the bishop, Bishop Andy Ligot, we are overwhelmed and so blessed that Father Andy was being appointed by Pope Leo XIV as the auxiliary bishop of the Diocese of San Jose. We are so happy that he was able to follow the footsteps of our late uncle, the late Bishop Victorino Ligot, the first bishop of San Fernando Norte. So, as we say, our family is so blessed that we've got members who are but not only an ordinary priest, not already a bishop, not only here in the Philippines, but as well as in the United States. So, thank you for the trust that the people of California have entrusted him, most especially the Holy Father, and of course the Bishop of the Diocese of San Jose. So, as in the press conference this morning, he said that it was motto that love is Christ. So Christ is love. So as he said, he will dedicate himself with love, serving the people, and based on the teachings of Christ, he will be as dedicated as can be as
Namuan nga ni Bishop-elect Ligot Idol Bernard sa Agawi ito na October 4 at endaran na ito yung 10th anniversary ito yung kapsatang Libusay kay Lai nga Kalades. Namuan tayo Idol Bernard nga ni Father Andy Ligot ket masya kadagiti na sa sabi nun dahil sa Lawag ay ito na ket na nagbasa yung seminaryo sa Baguio City Idol Bernard Gana, nanalapay iti Porsunga Philosophy, kaya sa Tomas, kaya kasamitin ito na kita na ordinan. Ang babaeng kini Pope John Paul II, iti June 14, 1992, iti St. Peter's Basilica, kaya Italy. Awan naksandaran ni pamilya, iti yapan na pa-ordina kapsapadi, kapag pinarigan iti yapan na John Idol Bernard, ito taga-una. So, sobrang gayaman, raksak iti pamilya, ada di Abalegi na nagupudan ni Bishop-elect Andy Ligot. Naman tayo, nagbasa ni Philosophy San Pablo College, kaya di Baguio City, kaya naaram ito sa degree in Philosophy, University of Tomas, Metro Manila, it is 1998. Kaya Bishop-elect Andy Ligot, congratulations. Dapat ako matawag pa yung institusyon, kinikiparagang iti-provincial of Tapiken, ipag-iyan na Pilipino zone, Abu Father ang Pilipino. Idol, Benito, Tata, Arnel.